morning, friends from Doyle Campground, not near, but about 25 miles outside of Buffalo, Wyoming. We've been here for about 3 days, 4 days. We got 3 more to go. It's a beautiful little campground, national forest, well maintained, beautiful sights, great camp host. We'll do some walkabout recording here in a little while. Just wanted to do a quick introduction. I think it's still good morning here. So Mrs. C's got her Kindle out. She's enjoying some me time, and I'll give y'all a quick look at the campsite, and after we have some lunch, we'll go for a walkabout. There are 19 sites here. I don't think one of them is level. They're not real huge. We have no trouble with our truck camper. They said 19 sites, no electric, no water at the sites. There's a well pump down the road, good water. That's where we get ours, carry it back 5 gallons at a time, and either add it to the tank or just use it straight out of the jug. Beautiful place, I recommend it. We'll take a walk about here after a while, after lunch, and let y'all take a look. Quick look at this campsite. This is ours. Of course, we got our hammock set up. This is my recording studio. We got a beautiful view. The fences, I think the fences, I haven't talked to the host, I think they're campground boundaries, mostly to keep the larger critters out, moose and the elk and that kind of stuff. Pit toilets, super clean pit toilets. Bart and Ernie. We got the shower tent set up. We do have a shower inside, but it's a lot less convenient than setting up the shower tent. Our solar panels for our jackery. We got a solar panel on top for our house batteries. Back porch set up. Alright, like I said, we're going to take a walk about. Won't be too long. Just something to give you an idea what the campground looks like and where we're living for the week. We're going to call this the end of the road. It's not the end of the road, but this is as far as we're going to go. And we're going to head back and head down through the main road of the campground and take y'all out the other side to it's Highway 16. No, it's not Highway. Hazelton Road, my bad. Which passes in front of the campground road. In case y'all haven't figured out yet, I like walking down dirt roads. Don't tick. Well, Mrs. C and I are full-time truck campers now. Nomads, wanderers, travelers, whatever you want to call it. And we are enjoying it very much. We're getting our feet wet in Bart and Ernie, learning the ropes. And I hope y'all will come along and enjoy the ropes with us. They get kind of comical sometimes. Say hi to the truck behind me, y'all. Hi, truck. Let's head our way back up into the Bighorn National Forest. Back to Mississippi, see how well the hammocks have held up. Proper. Hazelton Creek over there still, like the old sign. Camping limited to 14. There's all the campground therefores and whatnots and here twos you might need to know. Map of the loop. Out here in the middle, like I said, there are 19 campsites here. We made it back. Mrs. C is not checking the integrity of the hammocks. She has opted to come inside and do some reading. Anyway, that's our trip around the campground, y'all. Hope you enjoyed it.